The world of air travel is constantly evolving, and 2025 is no exception. With millions of travelers taking to the skies every day, airlines face the challenge of maintaining efficiency, safety, and passenger satisfaction in an increasingly complex environment. As a result, carry-on luggage policies, one of the most crucial aspects of air travel, are being reshaped to adapt to modern demands. From technological advancements to sustainability efforts and security enhancements, the rules surrounding what you can bring on board are more detailed and impactful than ever before. For many passengers, the ability to carry their belongings on board is a significant convenience, saving time and reducing the stress of lost or delayed baggage. However, as global travel becomes more standardized, airlines are introducing new rules to address growing concerns about limited cabin space, safety hazards, and inconsistent regulations across regions. These changes are designed to streamline the boarding process, improve overall passenger experiences, and align with modern trends like eco-conscious travel and the integration of advanced technology. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 1. Universal carry-on size standards. In 2025, most airlines worldwide have agreed to adopt standardized carry-on size limits. The globally accepted dimensions are now 22 by 14 by 9 inches, 56 by 36 by 23 centimeters, including wheels and handles. This change eliminates confusion for travelers switching between airlines with varying rules. Budget airlines, however, may enforce smaller dimensions, particularly for low-cost ticket classes. Travelers are encouraged to verify their airline-specific size policies, especially when flying with regional or ultra-low-cost carriers. To make the most of this rule, invest in luggage explicitly labeled as airline approved. Use packing cubes to maximize space within these limits. Number 2. Stricter weight restrictions for carry-ons. Airlines have started enforcing stricter weight limits for carry-ons in 2025, primarily to address passenger safety and optimize aircraft weight distribution. Typical weight restrictions now range from 15 to 22 pounds, 7 to 10 kilograms, depending on the airline. While these rules existed in the past, enforcement is now consistent, with mandatory weigh-ins at the check-in counter or boarding gate. Overweight carry-ons must be checked in for an additional fee. Tips to comply with weight limits: use lightweight luggage materials like polycarbonate or fabric bags. Carry heavier items, such as laptops or books, in your personal item if allowed. Wear bulky clothing during travel to lighten your carry-on. Number 3. Enhanced security measures for electronics. The rise in security concerns has prompted airlines and aviation authorities to introduce new rules for carrying electronics. Devices larger than a smartphone, such as laptops, cameras, and tablets, must now be placed in separate bins during security screening. Additionally, power banks exceeding 20,000 mAh are banned from both carry-ons and checked luggage. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries is prohibited. Removable batteries must be detached and carried separately. Expect random device checks where you may be asked to power on your gadgets to verify functionality. Advice for travelers: pack electronics in an easily accessible part of your carry-on for quick screening. Number 4. Updated liquid rules. The familiar 3-1-1 rule, which allows liquids in containers of up to 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, inside a single quart-sized Ziploc bag, remains in effect for most regions. However, some airports in Europe and Asia are piloting advanced liquid detection technologies. These technologies eliminate the need to separate liquids during security checks. If traveling through an airport using such systems, you may carry larger liquid containers. Check your departure airport's guidelines in advance to avoid confusion. For regions still enforcing traditional rules, stick to travel-sized toiletries or purchase items at your destination. Number 5. Personal item policy clarifications. Airlines have provided clearer definitions for personal items in 2025. A personal item is typically a laptop bag, small backpack, or purse that fits under the seat in front of you. The standard dimensions for personal items are now capped at 18 by 14 by 8 inches, 45 by 35 by 20 centimeters. Passengers attempting to pass off larger bags as personal items will be required to check them, often at premium fees. Some airlines allow passengers to bring additional personal items for medical devices or infant care, but these must be approved in advance. Number 6. Priority boarding for carry-on only passengers. To reduce boarding delays, many airlines now offer priority boarding for passengers traveling with carry-on luggage only. This ensures these travelers secure overhead bin space before it fills up. However, passengers must adhere strictly to carry-on size and weight limits to qualify for this perk. Airlines are also encouraging travelers to gate check carry-ons for free on fully booked flights to alleviate overhead bin congestion. Number 7. Prohibited items list expansion. The list of prohibited items for carry-ons has been updated in 2025 to include new technology and safety concerns. Smart luggage. Bags with non-removable batteries are banned. Tripods and selfie sticks must meet specific size restrictions, generally under 10 inches when collapsed. Edible gels and liquids. Items like peanut butter, honey, or soup are now considered liquids and must comply with the 311 rule. Review your airline's prohibited items list before packing, as rules may vary by country or carrier. Number 8. Regional variations in carry-on rules. While global standardization efforts are underway, regional variations still exist. North America. TSA PreCheck offers expedited screening, and travelers are encouraged to use Clear for faster security clearance. Europe. Advanced scanners are gradually phasing out the 311 rule for liquids. Asia Pacific. Airlines are more lenient with carry-ons for families traveling with infants, allowing extra diaper bags. Middle East and Africa. Electronics are subject to additional scrutiny, especially on US-bound flights. Travelers should research the specific rules for their region to avoid surprises. Number 9. Sustainability-driven packing practices. Airlines are increasingly prioritizing sustainability in their operations. In 2025, many airlines are incentivizing travelers to pack lighter, reducing fuel consumption and carbon emissions. Eco-friendly rewards. Airlines are offering loyalty points or discounts for passengers who pack lighter than the carry-on weight limit. Biodegradable products. Passengers are encouraged to use travel accessories made from recyclable or biodegradable materials. Some airlines have started banning single-use plastics in carry-ons, such as disposable water bottles, and encouraging passengers to carry reusable bottles. Number 10. Technology integration for baggage compliance. Airline apps and airport technology have become more sophisticated in 2025, offering travelers tools to ensure their carry-ons meet regulations. Virtual bag sizes. Many airline apps now include augmented reality features to check if your bag fits carry-on size limits. Real-time updates. Apps notify travelers of gate check requirements or changes in carry-on policies for their specific flight. Download your airline's app before traveling to access these tools and stay updated on any last-minute changes. How to prepare for the new rules. With these new rules in place, preparation is key to ensuring a smooth journey. Here are some practical tips. Invest in versatile luggage. Choose bags that meet the new standardized size requirements and feature organizational compartments. Check airline policies in advance. Even with standardization, budget and regional airlines may have unique rules. Use packing tools. Compression bags, packing cubes, and digital luggage scales can help you comply with weight and space limits. Be aware of fees. Airlines are increasingly charging for carry-ons that exceed size or weight limits. Plan your budget accordingly. Stay informed. Follow updates from your airline, especially for international travel, as regional rules may vary. Conclusion: the landscape of air travel is continually shifting, and 2025 marks a pivotal year in how airlines manage carry-on policies. These new rules are not arbitrary. They reflect a thoughtful response to the evolving demands of modern travel. With increasing passenger numbers, heightened security concerns, and the global push towards sustainability, the changes to carry-on regulations aim to streamline processes, enhance safety, and promote responsible travel habits. For travelers, understanding and adapting to these changes is more important than ever. The universal standardization of carry-on sizes eliminates confusion and ensures a level playing field across airlines, while stricter weight limits address critical safety and efficiency concerns. Enhanced security protocols for electronics and updated liquid rules are designed to protect passengers and crew without compromising convenience. At the same time, initiatives like incentivizing lighter packing and encouraging eco-friendly choices reflect a broader commitment to sustainability, a pressing issue in today's world. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates.